My name is Rap Nunster and I'm a nun. I'm 69 years old and I like to get freaky on the weekends. Today I'll be dancing to Cancun remix drop like thanks bye, see you all in hell.
짜자자잔 짜잔.